Nzama ya mbunge ya budget ni niyakulw'a yikiithye kana nthini wa muvango wa budget yukite niyanenga silikali ilovia kwiana kuikiithya kana masukulu nimaendeea na muvango wa kwa Amanyiw'A school feeding program. Muyumbe wa embakasi mamilioni wa East Babu Owino niwathingiliila muvango uone wa vata muno kwa mamilioni Amanyiw'A ikonyo syonthe nthi ya Kenya. Benjamin mwaka ni watumba nisengewa
Babu Owino niwe Nzama budget yikathye kuvenya na vanini nthini wa kuaya Mbesa kwa muvyo wa kisomo no kana kuchika muvango uwa kunenga maniwali Masukuluni yani school feeding program. Muvango la wenda shilingi bilioni 3 budget ya mwaka ukite no kana kuthukumithwa.
Before anything is done, food is very important to our children in school because most of them drop out of school because they don't even have anything to feed on. And because of that, Chairman, we should allocate sufficient amount of money for all schools in this country for the school feeding program.
How much money is needed for school feeding program? That's one question that I need the answer.
School feeding for all school days and to cover everything. Last year we had 4.9 billion for the whole year. So we have gotten 2 billion, maybe now you need to cover the rest. So you need 3 billion more.
Muyumbe wa embakasi umelono wasiwa na wakulia silikali nene kumidhia muvango unoyo no kana kuete utheu na withianu egweta silikali sia county ya ilotwa isio thukumiote wasio ni waithia muno iseso ya ndishi na county va county ni ilovia yithira yitwa kwanza ya yuswe kivindu kingi kia uthukumi na mitumile ilovia.
I have a problem, however, Chairman, with how the school feeding program is being run in Nairobi, because this is a function of the national government and the county government has taken over this mandate, which is not their function as per the constitution. Are you aware that parents are being asked to pay 5,000 5 shillings per day in a year with the total number of schools which we have around 210 public primary schools? The total amount of money on average that is being collected in a year is around 270 million Kenya shillings. So therefore, if we are allocating money in the budget committee for the school feeding program, in addition to that, the county government is also allocating money. In addition to that, there are grants which are being given by the government of France. And then in addition to that, we collect money from the parents, Chairman. So is it not selfish? The hard-earned cash of our parents are being defrauded by the county government of Nairobi.
Nzama ya budget na ila yethukisya maendeleo kuma kwa muvyo wa kisomo kuisila kwa mwene kivilo Nzama ya kisomo mbunge ni Muyumbe wa Titelet Julius Meli ingi ni atavua kana toka na kuandika alimu ngini miongwena na thanthatu ma secondary nini yani junior secondary JSS. Silikali yenda budget ya vakuvi shilingi bilioni 900 kuikiithya alimu ni maandikwa kwa kandarasi sia kutoa.
We have JSS teachers. The first batch was 26,000. The second batch was 20,000. This budget committee would want a situation where we hire on permanent and pensionable, not the 26,000, but the 46,000.
I'm in support of the junior secondary school teachers to be paid not less than 46,000 Kenya shillings in hardship areas and 38,000 Kenya shillings in other areas.
Vilingwa mavo kumava countini ya ilovia. Nito Benjamin mwaka.
Party leader now is Babu.